there is a wonderful about energy because Filipinos like them very much. And also, yeah, I just want to, I just want to remind that energy is easy to prepare. So class, I know you are very busy with your class, 7:30. So if you have no time for have breakfast, just drink this energy. It is a very, it is a very useful for you to minimize sickness of mouth or other sickness because you are hungry in the morning when you are taking the class. Yeah. Well, you may close your presentation. Wonderful.
Guys, start your day with energy, excited, full of energy. Thank you.
Ada bisa jadi brand ambassador-nya energi. Good.